Hello everyone. Hello guys. For today guys, many this you don't have a video because a lot busy. For now guys, I'm here in the province. So it's problem here. So hot. Then signal is very slow. Slow for the signal in the Wi-Fi is signal for the a lot. Your signal here is very slow, so sometimes you don't have a video I'm posting because so long, very slow your signal. So now guys, I'm here in the province. It's very simple life here in so hot. Then but you don't have choice because like my husband here, my husband in the ano ba my husband and my Sabrina Brianna in the US. So me now I'm here in the province. A simple life here. Watch you guys. Oh, a lot is uh, that one my simple life here. You know. So hello everyone. Please can you support me my YouTube channel. Then sometimes I'm very bored here. I miss my husband and then my daughter. It's very miss. It's not nice. It's not nice for me, my separate my husband, but you don't have choice. You don't have choice, but it's different show. I mean, it's different show. You separate your husband. Here, I'm very bored. Then you don't have Wi-Fi. Then may Sabrina sometimes Sabrina so hot. Sometimes your lighter is stopping. Sometimes your light there is stop. You don't have light like a 24 hours. You don't have light, so it's very hot. Sometimes I need you back in Manila. I don't know. It's what happened. I miss my family. So you don't have choice. I miss stay here. Sometimes Sabrina, you have it's not even eating. Then so hot. I have no choice. Like now is day I'm good Ocean Park because your Ocean Park is here is not very it's not very far, so I'm walking. You can go for sweet. It's my problem here. Hot. It's very hot. Then you don't have your Wi-Fi is very slow. Then my like that time you can sleep. Time to sleep. Sometimes you don't have light. So hot. You don't have a sleep. Like Sabrina, you crying. So I'm crying my life. It's very hard, promise. Maybe soon, I don't know, I need a back in Manila. I wish my husband, you pastor, you back here in the Philippines. Because in the US now, I wish you pastor, you back here in the Philippines because I'm back in Manila. It's very hot here. Then, I don't know. It's my feet, oh. What's my legs? It's so very hot. Then I'm crouching. I'm crouching because very hot. My sister, I don't know where my sister. You go the province. In the for farms and the banana. You can go. Oh, you put. You put. That one put here. Banana and the dry fish. It's very simple. It's very simple. You like guys. Mm. Yeah, like that. Oh, outside. I'm very emotional, promise, because I miss my husband and I miss Brianna too. It's how are you? I know you. How are you differ? You super you husband for you. It's very. It's my problem hearing guys. You so hot, hot then hot you Wi-Fi too. Your signal and like that you. So it's very hot. Like this one. Like the like this one you home here. Oh, eh. It's very simple home. You don't have to send. Ah, ay Sabrina. Si Sabrina oh, Sabrina. Oh, it's very hot. Sab kami. Sab was that? Ay Sabrina. It's very hot. Say hello. Like that. It's very hard here. Can you eat that? Don't play, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for support my YouTube channel. Oh, it's very my my legs. Yeah, so I'm crouching. I'm crouching a knife. So hot. Yeah. Yes. There are a lot mosquito here. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube. I'm sorry guys. I'm not posting a lot of video because your signal here bad. So maybe next month I need provide the I'm put Wi-Fi here because I need to voice you calling my husband. So I need put like Wi-Fi here maybe next month. Thank you everyone. See you soon again. My sharing my life in the province. Thank you very much.